Dogs on the beach. There is always carnage. What was that? No, tell us the zoo.
It was good, but if you're going there on a rainy day, bring an umbrella.
What, we should have brought an umbrella?
No, I don't know. We survived without one.
We got to see some wet animals.
Yes. And we got wet too.
Yes. It was good fun. Off to campsite.
Yes.
A late campsite arrival at our last campsite. What are we, like a hour and a half out of Melbourne or something?
Yeah, something like that.
Something like that? You've been here before. I forgot what it's called. Oh, I'll tell you in the morning.
But we camped on that top bit.
Yeah, we camped at the top last time. Someone else was down here. But there's a really nice river down there. But I'm going to get some firewood and get the fire going because it is a bit fresh. I would like some heating and possibly cook dinner on it.
In other news, we did plan mac and cheese and bacon
Okay.
dinner.
Yep.
So, I'll let you know how that goes.
Well, where are we going to cook that on the fire? Campfire got going, and I think I had less than 5 minutes of sitting at my campfire. And then we had to quickly set up the awning because it is having a downpour. Again. My seat has gotten wet. I think we've parked on a river. It's not really very level.
That's okay.
The campfire looks good over there. Yes, it does look very nice over there. However, I'm not over there to enjoy it. We've got to enjoy the pitter-patter of the rain. It should calm down.
Yeah.
And then we'll quickly run out there. In the meantime, can I have a chamois to dry out my chair?
Yep, it's around the side.
The side that's in the rain?
Yes.
We need like a 180 awning or something.
Sponsors, contact us.
Yes, it would be a lot better to have a 180 one. Because all we can afford is the cheapo King's one. That we didn't even pay for. I think Dad gave it to me.
Yes, your dad gave it to you.
It does a good job.
Against it.
It does a good job.
It works. That's the job.
Well, we got a swimming pool happening. I can see it right there.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah.
The rain's stopped now, so we've begun preparing dinner. Zach started working on the fire again. Got a nice little teepee.
It'll work. It'll go. Looks like a better morning. We've got sunshine.
We do. Sunshine and Tweety birds.
Just going to show the YouTubers the water.
Good idea.
Okay.
I'll go down and grab
grab some water.
Put out the fire.
Okay. It's a steep walk, but it's worth it because down the bottom it's a nice little creek. There's a bridge. Woke up this morning to lots of bird sounds and sheep, which I think the sheep are up that hill somewhere. There is a farm nearby. Also, on the odd occasion, you hear an aeroplane going over the top. I think we're on flight path to Melbourne, but it's very faint. It's not too bad. We are, 2 hours out from Melbourne. I must say, on our drive from where we were last night to here, from the Grampians to here, and we went to the zoo as well. On the way there, from the Grampians to the zoo, and even from the zoo to here, lots and lots of kangaroos. Always lots of kangaroos. Even on our way out of the Grampians, I had to put the anchors on the car to stop the kangaroos jumping out in front. And then we saw that spot on the oval where there's lots of kangaroos, lots of farmers' paddocks full of kangaroos, and
sheep and emus.
And sheep and emus
Living together.
Yep. It's good to see lots of nature. Going home.
Did you know you're older than that bridge over there?
You have to tell me that.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zaka. Happy birthday to you.
Very old today.
He's older than Hunt's Bridge.
And people will have to come here to find out how old the bridge is to know that I'm older than it. If they're liking watching our videos, what do they do, Nodes?
Like, comment and subscribe.
And follow us for more adventures.